Hi everyone, this video is going to focus on how to graph a line using a t-table. And so we're asked to graph this line right here, alright? And in order to use a t-table, what you want to do is you want to pick values of x, and the nice thing is you can pick any value you want. But because I see a fraction right here, and I see that I have to multiply that fraction by x, I'm going to choose numbers that the bottom number, that 4, goes into. So if I think about this, what kind of numbers do 4 go into? Well, 4 goes into numbers like 8 or 16 or 4 itself, right? So what we want to do is pick like maybe a negative number. 0 is always really easy to use as well, and then some positive numbers. So let's see, I'm going to pick negative 4, because 4 does go into negative 4, 0, and so let's list some other multiples of 4, 4, and 8. Now you don't have to choose those, but I am choosing those because I can see from my graph on the right here that the scale goes from negative 10 to 10. Okay, so I don't want to pick numbers that are too big. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these values of x, I'm going to plug it into this equation to find y. So I have negative 1/4, and I'm going to plug in, instead of an x, I'm going to plug in negative 4, and then add 6. Now if I have negative 1/4 times negative 4, that gives me 1. Add the 6 gives me 7. I'm going to do the same thing for 0. So negative 1/4 times 0 plus 6. So negative 1/4 times 0 is 0, plus 6 is 6. I'm going to do the same thing for 4. So negative 1/4 times 4 plus 6. So let's see, negative 1/4 times 4 is negative 1, plus 6 is 5. And then the last one, negative 1/4 times 8 plus 6. So if I multiply negative 1/4 times 8, that's negative 2, plus 6 is 4. So these right here, these are all points that I can plot on the graph, and if I plot them and connect them, I should get my line. So negative 4, 7, let's plot that first. So we always start at the origin, move 4 to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, and up 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I believe it's right there. 0, 6, so we don't move left or right, but we go up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right there on the y-axis. 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A little harder to draw on this one here. And then 8, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So notice my dots all line up nicely, and so I'm going to connect them. And there is my line.